never change. I couldn't stop and say no. It's all the same, but you won't take the blame, even when you are blowing up. Oh my, you're my broken love. Nobody's gonna save her now. Oh my, you're my broken love. So come on, let me show you how.
I recall the past again tonight. It's in the front of my mind. As I fall apart, you begin to cry. The tears are making you blind. The future's far away, but I won't stay. I won't stay. Just take a leap of faith. We'll find a way for you and me. Can't look back and run from what I feel inside. There's no more time to hide, because I feel again. I feel again. Oh, now I feel again. We're bringing this back to life. I feel it again.
In this age of solar innovation, why are we still investing in coolers that try to prevent ice from melting when we don't even need the ice? Thanks to technological breakthroughs with brushless compressors, solar and lithium storage, the GoSun Chill can run off-grid all day, keeping drinks cold and food fresh. You can choose your desired temperature, allowing for it to be cold enough to store frozen food. Beyond fueling your fridge, the battery is detachable, so you have power whenever and wherever you need it. The power bank comes with a light, 3 USB ports for charging electronic devices, and a 15-amp car adapter to run accessories. And when energy is abundant, just plug into the nearest outlet or car adapter, and you'll have a fridge in the RV, boat, car, or garage. Everything you need is stored on board, so you'll know where to find it. Go off-grid with GoSun's solar table, which can keep the power bank charged indefinitely. Plus, you get a service for cooking and eating. If space is limited, we also offer a flexible 30-watt solar panel that attaches to the handle. When you're ready to move, everything clips to the chill and rolls. Complete your portable, fuel-free kitchen with the GoSun Fusion, an innovative hybrid solar and electric oven. GoSun builds solutions to extend beyond recreation, so when your home's power goes out, you'll always have a backup plan. Back the GoSun Chill and get more space in your cooler, temperature control for storing food and beverages, and a compact power supply for your electronic devices. It's like having an infinite fuel canister or an endless bag of ice, all within the GoSun ecosystem. Entertain your family and friends outdoors with the best in clean technology and never buy fuel or ice again.
Luggage should be strong. Packing should be easy, and travel should be seamless. Our team of 5 designers worked around the clock for over 2 years, testing prototype after prototype, and finally we got to a product we are proud of and know you will love. The Carry-On Classic was designed for 3 to 5 day trips and meets carry-on standards. To optimize the space inside, we took organization to the next level and added thoughtful features and accessories to allow you to customize your packing. One of our favorite features is the custom magnetic compression. With our ultra-strong fidlock buckle and mounted compression straps, you can pack more in less space. The folding panel allows you to decide what to compress and how. If you would like to maximize the additional space, we've designed compression packing cubes, which are sold separately that fit perfectly and allow you to pack even more. The shells are made of 100% Macrolon polycarbonate, the strongest material in its class, measured down to the 1/10 of a millimeter for maximum strength. Top-of-the-line silent run Hinomoto wheels that are built to last, low-profile Hinomoto handles that can take on heavy loads, external YKK zippers, and finally a 3-stage aluminum handle that can take a beating. As you can see, this luggage is top of the line, 100% built to last, and exceeds all industry standards. We have spent countless hours perfecting this luggage and are so excited to share it with you. All Nomadic products are backed by our Nomadic lifetime warranty. We are Nomadic. We make the most functional products ever to inspire confidence for life on the move. We can't wait to see where the Nomadic luggage takes you.
Say hello to O-Garden Smart, the future of indoor gardening. O-Garden Smart is an indoor gardening system that allows you to grow fresh produce at home. Unlike most indoor gardening systems, O-Garden Smart can grow up to 90 fruits and vegetables simultaneously, significantly supplementing your grocery shopping in a way that no other indoor gardening system has done before. And since it's indoors, you never have to worry about the weather affecting what you grow or when you grow it. Get perfect fruits and veggies all year round. O-Garden Smart is easy to use. Simply place your seeds and growing cups in the nursery cabinet below. When the seeds sprout, transfer them to the wheel. There, they'll grow large enough to harvest. The rotating wheel keeps your roots moist and can host up to 60 plants, while the nursery cabinet below can hold up to 30 plants, giving you a constant rotation of 30 crops at all times. The automatic low energy consumption LEDs simulate the perfect amount of sunshine, and the automatic watering gives your produce exactly the amount it needs for optimal growth. Growing your produce at home means no pesticides, no herbicides, and no waste. Just incredibly fresh food for you and your family that you can harvest right when you need it. O-Garden is clean, bright, beautiful, and the perfect addition to any area of your home. From dinner with your friends to quality time with your family, O-Garden is there to provide fresh, delicious produce to you and the ones you love. Through growing our own food, we can educate future generations on sustainable practices and create a real impact in the world. The future of produce is independence and sustainability. We believe O-Garden will bring us there. Join us. Back our campaign today and take the next step towards a more sustainable, healthier future.
Let's face it, tablets are not very lap-friendly. Typing flat on your knees is far from ideal. And holding a tablet in your hand quickly gets tiring. That's why we invented the Tab Pilot, the ultimate tablet companion. Tab Pilot is not just a stylish leather bag. It's a home for your tablet. It's a protective bag that in seconds converts to a harness. Tab Pilot has a rubberized grip at the bottom, so it won't slip away from you. This allows for effortless productivity. Type with both hands or easily draw on it with a pen anywhere. Tab Pilot is ideal for any situation, whether on the move, sitting, standing, lying down, and pretty much everywhere else too. Tab Pilot is designed to fit with the smart cover inside, which means that you don't have to limit your options. The lid features magnets for quick access, so taking the tablet out of the bag or flipping it to protect the screen only takes seconds. In protected mode, the closed smart cover protects the screen. Tab Pilot comes with a comfortable leather strap that can be easily adjusted to your needs. It's been designed so you can use the audio jack, on-off button, and lightning port while the tablet is in the bag. And at the back there's a pocket, so the stylus will always be close at hand. Tab Pilot is made from premium leather that's both durable and comfortable to hold. To offset the CO2 from the production and shipping of Tab Pilot, we will plant mangrove trees with Worldview International. Support our campaign and reinvent the way you use your tablet with Tab Pilot. Tab Pilot comes for iPad and Microsoft Surface. See details for compatible models.
Concept Duet is an exploration in maximizing productivity. It's a dual screen device that opens up the possibilities as far as being able to use two screens, especially in a mobile environment. For the Duet, we created a unique keyboard that can be placed on top of the glass. You're able to do things like run an application on the primary display, as well as have smaller widgets in the exposed space above the keyboard. Never before has there been a technology that has been so disruptive in computing. I don't think there's any going back once you have exposed a user to the dual screen experience.